St. James is most wanted, facing multiple murder charges. More information has emerged about the man the St. James police have named the division's most wanted criminal. NIKEELO Lewis, otherwise called NIKEELO or NIKEELO, was arrested by the police during an intelligence-driven operation on the Reading Main Road on May 24th. He is now facing gun-related charges in connection with multiple investigations. According to the Corporate Communications Unit of the Jamaica Constabulary Force, the 24-year-old who hails from Grange Pen in Lilliput, St. James, was wanted for the murder of Horatio Shakes, which was committed in Bugs Bunny, Lilliput in St. James on August 18, 2020. Additionally, he is wanted for the murder of Chevian Stevens and the wounding with intent of 3 others, which took place on January 4th this year at Ocean Heights in Lilliput, St. James. The St. James police have also linked Lewis to the following: the murder of a Dominican Republic national, Marie Isabel Valdez, which took place on September 10, 2020, as she worked at a bar in Lilliput, St. James. The murder of Lindell Wilson, committed on September 25, 2021 at Ocean Heights in Lilliput, St. James. And a case of robbery with aggravation that was committed on September 25, 2021 at Ocean Heights, also in Lilliput, St. James. The Jamaica Constabulary Force said that investigation into these cases are ongoing and updates will be provided to the public at an appropriate time.
Teach them! Hey, yo, hello! Send the message and make it reach them. It's teach them. Right here, Warlord representing.
Thank you for watching. Like the video before you go. Please subscribe if you haven't done so. And remember to share the video with your friends and family. And browse the channel for more quality content. Until next time, walk good, my friends.
Teach them!